What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Falling Down by Lil Peep and XXXTentacion. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, when you get done, jump in the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's great for all skill levels. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. Also, all the equipment that I use in the videos is linked down there as well. So if you're interested in that, you want to see like the kind of stuff that I'm using to make these videos, that's all in the description as well. So when you get done, check all that out. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is pretty simple. It's using 3 chords. Your first one's going to be a C. It's your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then during all the chords, you're going to be alternating putting your pinky on and off of the 3rd fret on your E string, your high E string. That is optional. I'll show you how to do it, but it is optional. You don't have to do it at all. You'll still be able to play it with just the chords, but it matches the song a little bit better when you can add that note in there. So that's the first chord. Your second chord is going to be A minor, so all you're doing is you're just literally going to take your ring finger and move it to the 2nd fret on your G string, and you're going to keep your other 2 fingers the exact same spot. Your index finger's on your 1st fret on your B string, middle finger's on the 2nd fret on your D string, then your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. And then practice getting that pinky up there as well, on the 3rd fret on the E string. Final chord is going to be E minor. Just take off your index finger and then move your middle finger and your ring finger down 1 string each to where your middle finger is on the 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. And then you're also going to be alternating that pinky on your high E string. Strumming pattern I use for this song is a simple down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So it looks like this. Now if you want to try and add your pinky on that high E string, that's going to happen on the up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. So again, slowly, no pinky. Down, you're just doing down, down without the pinky, and then the up, up, down, up is going to be with the pinky. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Again, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below before you leave. Also, any questions or comments, concerns, or any other songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave all that in the comments section below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you guys in the next video.